Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be destroying this. So I hope you guys can see it. If you guys can't, I'm sorry. I'll go a little further up. We're using our big weapon today. This is going to be a short one because my camera battery is almost dead. Everything's destroyed inside. Everything's almost chopped in half. So we're getting both panels out right now here. Hang on. Is it ready to be torn apart yet? So this is what's in the center. This is the little glass piece. This is the center. Again, this is what makes it go back and forth. I guess this is like its little magnet in there. So, I guess this is the little magnet that, what is it? And I guess that there was something in this, and that this would rotate back and forth. Let's see, is it a magnet? Nope. But I wonder if it is. Leave in a comment what all this is, and we will destroy it. Okay? Please leave a mark in the comments, like and subscribe, and that's it for all. See ya, and see you next time. And don't forget to smile more.